In this video, we're unboxing the spray bar removal tool set. This is the spray bar removal tool. The following are the tools used for replacing the spray bar. This is the 6-piece spray bar wrench set. 19mm wrench, 18mm wrench, 17mm wrench, 16mm wrench, 14mm wrench, 12mm wrench. A 1/4-inch drive. There is the gloves paired with the product label. Now let's remove the spray bar. Use the 6-piece spray bar wrench set. Pick the right size to use. Our spray bar fitting is 17mm, so we choose the 17mm socket. Install the tool on top of the spray bar fitting. Use a 1/4-inch drive breaker bar to remove. This time we choose the large ratchet wrench to remove. Install it, then loosen the upper fitting. Use the same way to snug it up. This tool is for the situation when the replacing angle is difficult. Make sure the tool is seated flat on the fitting. Don't let it tilt or it will damage the threads